Monochromatic X-rays of wavelength I 1 Armstrong incident on simple cubic crystal. The first order reflection from 311 plane occurs at angle of 30 degree from plane. The lattice parameter of crystal in A is option A 1, option B root 3, option C root 11 by 2, option D root 11. Answer: interplanar spacing D equal to A divided by root of h square plus k square plus l square equal to A divided by root 11. According to Bragg's law, 2d sin theta equal to n lambda. For first order 2d sin theta equal to lambda equal to 2 into A by root 11 sin theta equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 equal to 2 into A by root 11 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 10 equal to A equal to root of 11 Armstrong. Thus solution is D. This question is asked from IIT JAM Physics 2009. Thanks. Please subscribe and share and like this video.